Hi, today we will discuss based on MQTT protocol. We need to switch on the bulb, and as usually we need to combination of GPO switch as usually MQTT topic. If anything is trigger, automatically uh, relevant bulb will be trigger or sensor data will be get back get back to the cloud. How this thing will be function as a discussion. This is a cloud-based smart switch. As usually in the physical switch, anything will be triggered automatically. Uh, the change information will be trigger onto the cloud traffic. Relevant functionality will be happen. What are the applications? This function will be helpful. Smart bulbs. Smart bulbs. We are fetching the sensor data space mechanical payload controls. Nowadays, we are seeing the various space related vehicles. Elon Musk is giving a SpaceX, the auto relaunch vehicle. This type of things will be coming into the picture. This type of extension. Another thing is three-phase submersible motors on off function. If someone physically go to the starter and on and off condition, the automatically this change information will be uh, send it to the MQTT protocol as a information get back to the cloud. As usually, the cloud will be triggered. The automatically switch also that information will be triggered. And based uh, on the payload requirement, we are fetching agriculture related applications. Suppose we are going for the AC payload. Actually, the device is running the pin-node diagram as a DC power. We want to operate into the yeah, AC payloads. We need to go for the drivers, AC drivers, optocoupler, a relay, and switch. This all is functioning as a same, but the way of approach is different. The optocoupler and functionality is a little bit following the some approach. The relay is following some approach. Switch is following the some other approach. Suppose we are going for the switch, physically one person will be required on and off. The relay, it is a mechanical electromagnetic things will happen. The switch will the circuit will be closed. The relay will be function as usually optocoupler the light will be triggered, the circuit will be open. This is the optocoupler function. Similarly, this is conversion of DC to AC. How suppose it will be triggered based on circuit diagram. The way of the requirement, the design will be follows. Suppose we are going for the agriculture application or something else. We are go for the broker. We are go detail for the of the protocol MQ. And this is a IP stack. We are used for the MQTT. The many protocol, the board inbuilt data sheet is providing the functionality, the communication to the controllers or onboard processors. Suppose we are going for the onboard processor, we are considering the board. We are IP stack. We are using the MQTT to we if any switch or cloud topic, anything is triggered, automatically status will be changed. Change will be happen. The bulb will be changed whether normal switch press or the cloud will be pressed. Automatically switch function will be changed. That bulb will be triggered based on the switch function is changed. The sensor data will be get back. That is the requirement. We are how the MQTT. MQTT is a the message key, message queuing mechanism. Based on the topic, we are pass the information. The information uh, based on the information, we are perform the operation. Here, the broker is a the software. The broker is providing uh, the mechanism. First, we need to various how we can communicate the MQTT, the message based on message. We are giving a particular name of the topic. We are giving the mentioned topic. Suppose here our requirement is the bulb. We need to give the LED as a topic. The what are the conditions is required for on the operation? We need to on off conditions for the switch on switch off the cases is a requirement. Suppose I'm giving a topic as a on and off. Similarly, I'm giving a we are accept the information from the cloud end as a smart switch. Suppose I am giving a topic as a LED off, then it is switch will be trigger the off condition. Suppose I am giving a off condition as a topic, the automatically switch will be trigger, the off will be happen, the automatically physical the data sheet pin will be the function will be varies. Subscribe the topic. The cloud side, the anyone over the cloud, the giving the uh, uh, publishing the topic information, the automatically that information will be reflect. This thing will be based on this is normal way. Suppose we are giving the username password to validate the functionality. Why? This is the how it will be work practically. We can see one example. This is the plan of uh, consideration. Suppose here the MQTT is running the protocol. Now MQTT is a protocol. The based on the protocol, some of the vendors is the build that the product. We are going for the protocol MQTT. The Mosquito MQTT is a the product is they're giving. Suppose we are going for the cloud. The protocol vendors is differ. We choose for anything. We need to publish. We can smart switch based on the requirement. We will plan accordingly. Sensor, agriculture applications, space sector applications, the many more applications and based on the current requirement projects and IoT. This is the IoT and machine learning, deep learning. These things will be it's possible. We are achieving based on the IoT related on the controlling mechanisms. Suppose this software is running. The here I'm giving a where that um, subscribing where that actually the running the mosquito server, the port listening, the MQTT protocol, the running on this port. Uh, Minus T is a topic. Hash is indicating the wild card. We need to see all the messages over the particular MQTT server. Here I'm giving a pinout diagram for the board. This is the two-way indication we can operate the board selection. We give the set mode to we give the indication. We are giving a number based on the number indication. We go for the BCM. Suppose we are going for the other type. We are go for the change the set mode as another type. This thing we need to set based on high and low change based on the output. We are giving the indication. 1 means high, 0 means the low. The voltage will be the pin diagram will be automatically logically we are varies. So this is the publish a message. Suppose I am giving a on. So the on will be it is they received and the world card it is seeing the all related topics. Suppose I am giving a on, the status will be reach on the cloud LED status. This is the requirement. We are seeing software setup and subscribing subscribing the wildcard hash means the wildcard. We are see the all the messages as usually the publishing the particular topic. The topic is LED. Here seeing the pinout diagram. Suppose we are going for the this is generally we are going for the demonstration. I'm monitoring the 18 switch, 18 pin. The pin number 18 I am giving GPU IO24. 18 pin. I am giving a 18 pin as a monitoring. I am giving a logically I am that pin will be high and logically off. This on and off will be happen. Instead of physical pressing button, this thing will be happen. It will be status will be changes on the board side as usually we are sending the cloud side also changing the information, that information will be reflected on the pin side. We are going for the program, the cloud switch. This is the cloud switch as usually combination of smart switch. The anything will be trigger from the topic side is trigger physical physical Raspberry Pi switch side is trigger. The status will be automatically published on the topic. Suppose cloud side is topic is changed, the automatically that change information will be reflected on the cloud. That is a smart way to control the information. Here, first we are giving the timer. We need to delay the pin hand over the GPO status. We are giving the certain time period. It will be changed. We are going for the GPO model, and this is giving the functionality to control the GPO pins. Here, this is the model POHO. The POHO 2 we can do for the MQTT protocol mechanism from client end. Subscribe, publish. So we are subscribe the topic and we are publish the topic. First here the mode of the board it's using for the BCM using the set mode we are giving the BCM board and GPO set warning we are we are no need to neglect, we are giving the indication false. Which pin we need to consider as a switch. Now I'm giving a um, I'm giving a GPO and the 18 pin as a out means in the high. It is setting as a pin function as a output. It is a default. When power is come the automatically it will be set that particular pin as a high. On connect, on connect. We need to subscribe the topic. The topic name is LED. We are going for the here. We are going previously. So we are going previously. LED is a the protocol topic. We are subscribing the topic. We are able to see the what are the messages is reaching from the mosquito mosquito MQTT the broker. We are subscribing the topic. After that, we read the messages. The message having the payload, the message we are topic we are subscribed. What are the messages is coming from the topic. The LED is stopping. These things, all those things will be reaching. We are reading the messages. The messages we are reading. Anyone is sending as a LED as a we are giving the two conditions on and off. We are giving a one more and operation on and off. What are the possibility on small letter or case history, small or big, on and off? We need to give and operation or give us case sensitive. Giving a small letters on. Once it is coming as a on as a cloud input, the trigger 18 bit will be previously 18 bit. The LED pin, the LED pin is a 18. The 18 is a trigger as a high. It is taking a delay of not two. After that, this will be trigger. Suppose the message the on is okay. Suppose it is getting as a off condition. The GPO pin is set to the low as a off condition. It is taking a some time delay. After that, the publish as a call. Um, Here on connect. Here on we are giving the publish. We are pause the VA function. We are not implementing. On subscribe. We are um, subscribing the topic. Here the the, the providing the POHO, we are indicating first we need to call the client. After that, MQ based on the object reference, the message, some of the functionalities is available. Send the event callbacks. MQTT first we need to message callback. After that, we need to connect, we need to publish, we need to subscribe. These are the based on the protocol structure. We need to give the indication. Subscribe, publish. First we need to connect. After that, we need to connect. It will be cover the what are the topic we are connected. The message is reading the information related to what topic is processing. Subscribe. It is a subscribing topic in the continuously information. After that, MQTT connect. MQTT connect, and we need to indicate the where it will be run in the local or on the cloud. Here, the port number is the message MQTT serving the serving and running the port number. This thing will be given the automatically the connection will be established, and topic will be subscribed, and we are seeing the what are the delivering the messages. And suppose we are publish the information, the publishing will be not done. We are indicating this way of style. After that, since we are using for the embedded side product, what are the embedded side, it will be the functioning, what are the triggerings will be happen. Previously we are see this is the using the normal switch or cloud switch. The anything will be trigger the on and off as a LED top as a physical switch button. Any from cloud side or this thing, and the any one is a trigger, automatically relevant functionality will be happen. Suppose agriculture application, three-phase motor will be on and off. So other some other applications agriculture, ML, machine learning, AI related operations we want to do. Such functionalities we can use. Otherwise, we are go for the space mechanical payload controls. On this thing, the research recently, the Elon Musk is giving a relaunch space vehicles. Such a mechanisms will be happen, but it's less time delay to reach the from space vehicle, the mechanical vehicle between the cloud. This is speed concerns, the various communication media, satellites communication. We need to go for the uh, data center and the speedest path, the mechanism, what are the choosing way of channels. These things will be differ. Fine. Up to now, this is the flow as a topic concern. This thing is continuously trigger at infinity times. Continuously on board, the program should be run. Keep on check the board 18 switch pin. Once it is continuously recheck uh, uh, the loop of MQTT, the MQTT loop in this all those things, it will be coming as a MQTT loop. MQTT loop, it will be keep on checking. Suppose we are based on giving the knowing the information, whether it will be physical switch press or cloud based switch we happen. We are using the flag to know the triggering condition. Here I'm taking a first flag. The flag, the once any change is happened, the physical switch, the physical switch information, the automatically the flag, mm, suppose mm, button is pressed, they again the button state is not at all changed. The automatically the flag it will be repeated as the setback to one. Again it will be false condition. It will be again it is checking the button is pressed and already the button is pressed. Again it will not repeat. Unnecessary statements will be removed. Similarly, suppose uh, again it will be a check from cloud. Again it's checking the button based on the flag. Suppose zero. Suppose it is button is pressed. The flag is zero. The it is checking the publishing the information to the cloud. The cloud also on the pressing person also know that something it will be changing. The again. Uh, Resetting to the one, the flag will not repeat here also. Unnecessarily all cases the data will not publish. When change activity whether cloud side or physical button side is happen, then only it will be triggered. Suppose person suppose it's giving a pressing releasing the button, it will be checking previously the flag state is automatically changing into the one. Here the automatically allowing the button is not pressed, the flag again it is resetting, the here allowing previous state will be replaced to the zero. Again it will be publishing the new change information. This thing will happen. This is the program. Suppose I am giving a button is not pressed, this is the high. Suppose I'm giving a as a 0, means I'm giving a not press. Here the automatically change information button is pressed. Change information automatically trigger. Suppose I'm giving a see Again, I'm giving a 1, the automatically status is changing. I'm giving a 1 button pressed. Similarly, in the whatever change information is there, this thing will be reaching into the cloud. The data change will be reflected on into the cloud. I'm giving a change, physical change. The universal. This is the universal epic tag. We are seeing the all topics. What are the changes is happen on the while loop of the keep on monitoring the place. It will be reflecting the automatically status will be published into the cloud. This way it will be happen. This is only switch function implemented. Suppose here in middle button is press not press in middle, it is giving the indication the bulb is on and off. Yes, based on the extension of use cases, whether we are used for the normal bulb, electrical bulb we need to use based on circuit diagram. Very skilled electrical people do the circuit adjustment, and then only uh, then it will be a good useful agriculture application or special research development, something AI and machine learning related use cases you can build, but it implement as a social improvement for existing real-time issues. Fine, I'm giving a conclusion for cloud-based MQTT protocol. Previously, I know the someone sir is teaching this logic for the cloud-based switching mechanism, but I forget it how this thing is approaching. After that, 4 years of reverse back the logic, it's getting the exact way how this thing is approaching. This way, we can function the various use cases, various tough switching mechanisms we need to implement. Issues will be get back from the hardware and software plans will be released on the GitHub. Then future will be get back the good agriculture three-phase submersible motor, the mobile status. The mobile status is working as a AT commands to communicate return back. Nowadays is coming a recent smart cloud switches. These things, this and all, it will be their own business logic. This is a one way of controlling the cloud mechanisms. Fine, I'm giving a conclusion. If anyone has a doubts, please feel free to give the comments below. Fine, I'm giving conclusion.